Welcome to the Mid-Atlantic Colonies. We're your tour guides, Lauren,
Nathan,
Juliana,
Sophie.
The Mid-Atlantic Colonies include New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. Are you tired of the humid weather in the South or the harsh winters in New England? Then come to the Mid-Atlantic Colonies. We have a moderate climate, which is great for growing grains. In the Mid-Atlantic Colonies, we welcome everyone. You can practice your own religion without any religious persecution. Here, we specialize in raising livestock, growing grains, and fishing. Because of how much grain we produce, we are also known as the breadbasket colonies.
Come now for a limited edition sale. Buy one bread, get the second one the same price. Here's some of our customer reviews.
Oh my gosh, I save so much money. $0. Money saved. Come to the Mid-Atlantic Colonies. We have so much to offer. We accept skilled and unskilled workers, farmers, fishermen, and merchants. Here we have market towns with many crucial purposes. You can buy and shop for food. We have meetings and you can buy materials.
Some bread. In the Mid-Atlantic Colonies, we have lots of beautiful villages and cities to accommodate your diverse religions and backgrounds.
Overall, the Mid-Atlantic Colonies are a great place that welcomes everyone. We have lots of grains, fish, and livestock. We hope you enjoy our friendliness and hospitality, and in case we didn't mention our great bread. Please like this video.
And make sure to comment down below what you thought about it.
Thanks for watching!